talk about my creative journey, and I'm gonna tell you why I started this channel, why I keep going, why I keep growing, and why I wanna share my journey with you. So let's go.
And wash everything like that check paying all your bills.
God, so sleep. Neighbors busting.
No, that was a...
Quality versus quantity.
All right, guys, this is what year 8 looked like. We're on year 8 next month. So, doing good.
I do a lot of driving. I spend a lot of money, but my heart is in 2 different places, so this is just a journey.
These bills be billing, but God always makes a way out of no way. But God always makes a way out of no way.
Now I have to prepare for my son to leave.
Live reaction, headed back on campus. Been a minute, but it's time to get back to
it. Them lights right there, it's new.
Right, hit that track. Track. I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to go be a man. When that school bus started hitting you, woo.
Oh no.
Huh?
You got to pick them.
So I'm back in these college streets, dropping the kiddo off, get him situated, and yeah, black men doing what they need to be doing. Why?
To dry my clothes.
Why?
Made an observation.
You know, this white stuff is coming from your dust. God, please keep PJ protected as he go on this other journey, completion, freshman year. May he be into your word, may keep him out of harm, keep his body healed, his mind straight. In his name we pray. Keep him focused, Lord. I'm gonna send me home by myself. In the hug.
My son, stay strong, stay strong.
All dusty, I've been cleaning. All right, give him a hug. See you later. Love you. Got everything? All right.
When they talk down on your dream,
Ain't turning around.
their words pass by. You were built for greater
Ain't
things.
no good right now. Oh man, I'm dropping my baby off again. Ooh. Oh no, my mama felt now. Can't do the but trust in God when you're dropping your baby off.
Keep going and growing, keep going and growing.
So as you can see, my son is in college, my daughter's in high school. I couldn't come back without updating you guys. So the next videos, we're gonna flash you back because a lot has happened, y'all. A lot has happened.
Subscribe, stay tuned, stay tuned.